This video explains how to buy shares of Prosperity Bankshares Inc. and walks through the practical steps. Prosperity Bankshares is a regional bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PB, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PB to find the listing. Select the result labeled Prosperity Bankshares Inc. to make sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm details. Verify the NASDAQ listing and the PB ticker so you are sure it is the right security. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, and choose your order settings, then carefully review and confirm. If the market is closed, your order will be queued until it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will request that you add them before confirming. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio for review. For the example linked to eToro, see the video description below.